Hey, what's up guys? It's Steven here from Unboxer, back with another video. And today, I've got something really exciting. We have the 9.7-inch iPad Pro and the smart keyboard to go with it. Let's take them out of the box and check it out. In front of me is the 9.7-inch iPad Pro. Let's get this guy out of the box and check it out. Silky smooth. So the first thing that you see is the iPad itself. Let's get this plastic off of it. You gotta love that fresh tech straight out of the box. Let's put that to the side and have a look what else is in there. So as standard, you get the lightning cable straight out of the box, and you get the instructions from Apple with the wall adapter, which is slightly different with a new design. In front of me here is the 9.7-inch iPad Pro. It has the new True Tone Retina display, the A9X chip, a 64-bit processor, 4 internal speakers, a 12 megapixel camera, and also a 5 megapixel front-facing camera for all your selfies that you're gonna take with the iPad.
Let me take a selfie.
One of the things that really separates the iPad Pro from the other iPads is the smart keyboard. This is a new keyboard purely developed for the iPad Pro. Let's get it out of the box and check it out. So inside of the box we have designed by Apple California as usual. We have the case itself and nothing else. So let's get rid of it. My favorite part of any new device is of course taking off the plastic. Wow. Feels so good holding the fresh new Apple products in your hand. And here it is, the Apple keyboard in the flesh. Let's get up close and personal and check it out. The new smart keyboard has no plugs, no switches, and no pairing. You just connect it through the smart switch and it just connects. You can seamlessly use the keyboard straight away. Not only can the new smart keyboard be used as a keyboard, but you can also fold it so it can be used as a rest. So when you're watching TV or just watching your favorite YouTuber, i.e. Monster Unboxer, or you could just use it as a cover. You don't even need to use the keyboard. So that was my unboxing of the 9.7-inch iPad Pro and the Apple Smart Keyboard. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to smash that like button down below, and also hit that subscribe button so you can see all of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching guys, catch you in the next one.